Okay, so you have two capstone assignments today. This first one is a thinking assignment, okay? It's just for you to look at your Padlet and think. And so, what I want you to think about is what are a few questions you can answer about your topic? And what I would do is I would open a window, I would check your Padlet, and I would just remember everything you've learned and think about like the parts of your research that you really know or that you're really close to knowing. You might still like learn a few more things, right? But so you check your research and you look back at your notes and you think, what have I learned about my topic? Like, if somebody asks me questions about my topic, what are the things I could answer? And not small things, not like, what year did slavery end? Not like that. Like, what big questions can you answer about your topic? That's really what it is. Like, what are a few, I'm going to write that, big questions you can now answer about your topic. So, like, if someone asked you, like, what causes global warming? If you're doing pollution, that's probably something you can answer now, right? So, a few of the questions I can answer are this. I could talk about what was different between the North and the South. I've read a lot about what was going on in the North, what was going on in the South, the differences, their arguments. I could talk about that. I can also talk about this question. What were some ways enslaved people tried to escape? I could talk about how they went to the swamp, the Underground Railroad, um, different things they like did in the North. I could talk about the Fugitive Slave Act, like all that stuff. I can definitely talk about enslaved people who tried to escape. And then another question I could answer is who are important abolitionists and how did they try to stop slavery? So I've definitely read a lot about, especially people who used to be enslaved and who got freed that tried to fight against slavery. I could talk about conductors on the Underground Railroad, things like that. So these are things that from my research I can now talk about. So that's basically what I'm asking you to do is now that you've done your research, what are you able to talk about? Okay. And what I want you to do is in the answer section of this assignment, write 2, 3, 4 questions that you're able to talk about. And you're going to use these questions in tomorrow's assignment. This is going to make tomorrow's assignment so much easier. Okay? All right. Good luck.